हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज देखिए गॉस थ्योरम बा गॉस लॉ। गॉस लॉ गॉस थ्योरम क्लियर। दिस इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू ए सिमेट्रिक चार्ज बॉडी क्लियर। ताले गॉस लॉ में कोड यूज करबा सिमेट्रिकली चार्ज बॉडी पाखरे हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी बाहर करिया। अगर हम बाहर करथिले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी हला एबे हमें बाहर करबा अनदर टेक्निक टू फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इन केस ऑफ ए सिमेट्रिकली चार्ज्ड बॉडी क्लियर। तो ता पूर्व हमें देखिए जीवा फ्लक्स, इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स, द टर्म दैट रिलेटेड टू द गॉस लॉ, दैट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स कौन? द इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स है दैट इज द इट इज द नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स। इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स है it is the total number of lines of force, total number of lines of force, total number of lines of force passing through an area, passing through an area hala. It is the total number of lines of force passing through an area which is being perpendicular to the direction of lines of force, which is being perpendicular to the direction of the direction of lines of force, the area which is being perpendicular to the direction of lines of force hala. So it is denoted by phi. It is denoted by phi, electric flux, and E due to electric field, phi A clear. Suppose I mean देखिए this is an area. Suppose this is in general, this is an area and this is the lines of force. Clear? This is the lines of force है। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स कहले कौन बुझबा? It is the total number of lines of force passing through an area which is being perpendicular to the direction of lines of force. This area is not being perpendicular to the lines of force. ताले केतला perpendicular हबो? Suppose this is your एटा लाके area vector. You know this is your area vector. एटा होछि area vector. Let it be this is area and this area is represented vectorically. This is the area vector and this makes an angle theta. And this is the maximum angle theta. So if we resolve into two components, then this component is perpendicular to the lines of force. This one is perpendicular to the lines of force. This area is perpendicular to the lines of force. So এই area देखी केते lines of force pass करूची, number of lines of force pass करूची, so this is not electric flux हैला। तो जदि एटा ए हैला ताले वर्तमान एटा कोन हबो? तो दिस इज योर हैला, एटा केते गेला? एटा दि ए, तो दिस एंगल थीटा, तो दिस कंपोनेंट इज ए cos थीटा हैला। तो दिस इज द ए cos थीटा। तो हमें कोन जानछे? द फ्लक्स डेंसिटी हैला दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया। तो फ्लक्स कहले द टोटल नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स पासिंग थ्रू दिस एरिया। तो एटी फील्ड के सपोज दिस इज योर ई, ताले E into A cos theta total lines of force. ताले total lines of force कौन पाइली? The lines of force per unit area हमें दे देखिबा the lines of force per unit area flux density हमें कौन खोजे? The lines of force by electric field intensity कौन कह दिला? Directly proportional to का से the lines of force. ताले electric field by E जेदा proportional to का से the lines of force. तो lines of force हमें किन बाहर करिबा? ताले total lines of force passing through this area, through this definite area is nothing but total lines of force. Well, that is equal to केते गला ना E into A cos theta तला तल केते जो एटा तो टोटल फ्लक्स तक लिखि परिबा तल टोटल लेंस ऑफ फोर्स तल केते गला तल phi E is equal to केते गला ना that is equal to E A cos theta E A cos theta but this can be written as that is equal to E vector dot A vector है अर्थात the electric flux is linked with an area is the dot product of the curve E vector and A vector I लिख परिबा the electric flux is the dot product of kaharo na E vector and A vector है तले electric flux is the dot product of the curve E vector and A vector तले इटा कहला electric flux the total number of lines of force passing through an area which area is being perpendicular to the direction of the lines of force है suppose the area suppose this flux is not uniform it in case of a if the lines of force are uniformly throughout the area यदि सब यूनिफॉर्मली पास करथिबो ताहाले हम एटा बाहर करिया if the lines of force are not uniform in case of if the lines of force the lines of force is not uniform if the lines of force is not uniform तो माने को हला सपोज हम एटी कोन नेले this are not uniform सबरे समान lines of force तल in that case रे हमें कोन करिबा तल if the lines of force is not uniform तल in that case we can सबरे मन रखिबो जेते हमें non uniform नबा we consider the small elementary area हला तले small elementary area किए ना dA बा ds you can consider बा को हमें लिख परिबा s मध्ये लिख परिबा तले if the lines of force is not uniform then the d phi E is equal to केते लिखबा ना that is equal to E vector dot केते गला dA vector E vector dot dA vector you can write ds vector जाल पर तल d phi is equal to then total flux तल total flux केते जीवा total flux तल phi E is nothing but that is the integration of d phi E is equal to केते गला integration of E vector dot dA vector over the total surface or total area clear so this is your if the lines of force is not uniform then we can find out the electric flux by using the integration method clear next now the next one special case the special case suppose if theta is equal to 0 that means E and I that implies E vector and A vector are in same direction clear if A vector and R vector are in the same direction then what we get then the flux phi E is equal to E dot A vector that is equal to EA cos 0 EA cos theta here theta केते रहला 0 so that is equal to E into A cos 0 that is equal to EA हैला so this is the total flux if the electric field and area are in same direction अर्थात this is এটা লাকি area vector this is your area vector and this is the field E vector हैला this is the field ताले in that case हमें कौन पाइबा ताले phi is equal to केते गेला E into A हैला तो this is your कौन पहले में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी सॉरी दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स है व्हेन द एरिया वेक्टर एरिया इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस नेक्स्ट टाइम देखिबा केस 2 टाइम देखिबा if theta is equal to 90 degree if theta is equal to 90 degree তাহলে কেতে গেলা তাহলে phi is কেতে গেলা e dot a that is called কেতে গেলা e a cos theta but that is equal to e a cos 90 is equal to 0 that means 0 হলা তাহলে if theta is the angle between ता माने एरिया वेक्टर एवं e वेक्टर आर परपेंडिकुलर हला नी हला ताले if area vector eta la ke if phi is equal to ea cos theta that is equal to ea cos 90 ताले कोन पाइला नै ताले if e vector and a vector आर कोन देछि 90 परपेंडिकुलर ताले e vector eta la ke देखो this is your area so this is your a vector এবং this is the lines of force তাহলে এটা কোন পাইলে তাহলে e vector and a vector are perpendicular তাহলে in that case the flux is 0 অর্থাৎ no lines of force passing through this area এটি হলো all the lines of force passing through the area এটি no lines of force passing through the area হলা or the area is parallel but area vector is perpendicular তাহলে in that case flux is কেতে গেলা 0 হলা নেক্সট থার্ড দেখিবা if phi is equal to মানে কর 180 থার্ড তাহলে if theta is equal to 180 তাহলে that implies তাহলে flux is equal to e dot a তাহলে this can be written as e a cos 180 or cos theta is equal to 180 so that is equal to ea cos 180 that is equal to minus of ea है ना so this is the flux is negative but it is same but it is negative like this suppose eta like this is the area vector है ना this is the area vector a vector but the direction of the field is like this তাহলে in that case হলা তাহলে এই জায়গায় কোন হলা বা আমি এমনি লিখে ফেরিবা সাপোজ হলে তাহলে this is the direction of the field yes হলা this is the area vector and this is the a vector তাহলে এটা কোন হয়ে গেল 180 this is the e vector তাহলে in that case flux is negative হলা but it is e হলা তাহলে this is the different case of the to find the electric flux তাহলে এখানে দেখবা in general তাহলে when the flux is positive and flux is negative তাহলে আমি দেখবা if fourth case দেখবা if theta is less than 90 degree অর্থাৎ acute if theta is less than 90 degree তাহলে that implies তাহলে cos theta is greater than 0 that means positive if cos theta is greater than 0 তাহলে in that case তাহলে phi e that is equal কেতে দিলা e a cos theta তাহলে যেহেতু cos theta is greater than 0 তাহলে this is positive অর্থাৎ if the angle between e vector and a vector is less than 90 degree in that case flux is positive in other case তাহলে কি হবে if theta is greater than 90 degree that implies cos theta yes cos theta greater than means second quadrant cos theta is less than 0 that is negative তাহলে in that case phi e is equal to কত হয়ে গেল that is equal to e a cos theta that is negative yes negative তাহলে if the angle between e and a is greater than 90 degree then in that case theta is negative if the angle between e and a is less than 90 degree then theta is equal to 0 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ if theta is equal to 90 degree তাহলে কত ছিল এটা 0 তাহলে অর্থাৎ suppose we consider this is a flux এটা হলো কোন lines of force তাহলে কেতেবেলে flux is positive and কেতেবেলে flux is negative suppose this is an area let it be this is the area of a body suppose it is a surface. Clear? Next. So if I consider here, যদি আমি এই ছোট area নেলি, if we consider this elementary area, yes, our area vector क्या? Now that is the outward draw normal, है perpendicular to this. This is your A vector, and this is the direction of the field. This is the direction of the field. Direction of the field. So here, this angle is theta is greater than 90 degree. Theta is greater than 90. So in this case, at this point, flux is negative. So if we consider in this case, suppose if we consider an elementary area here, suppose if we consider this elementary area, যদি আমি এই জায়গায় আমি consider an elementary area, so this area vector is here, so that is equal to এটা হলো A vector, and this makes an angle এটা কে দিলা theta, এবং এটি theta কে দিলা less than 90 degree, theta is less than 90 degree. So in this case, flux is positive. অর্থাৎ when the lines of force enters into the surface, then the flux is negative. Where the lines of force emerge out from the surface, in that case flux is positive. But in case of if যদি আমি এটা দেখিবা, now we consider here, তাহলে if we consider a area here, তাহলে this is your কেতে হলা A vector, and this is the E vector, that is 90 degree. তাহলে এটি থিটা লাগেতে 90 degree. তাহলে in this case the flux is 0. অর্থাৎ when the lines of force is parallel or touched to the surface, the flux is 0. Clear? তাহলে এটি আমি দেখিবা, আমি যাহা পাইলে অবজারভেশন লিখিবা। তাহলে if the lines of force enters into the কোটি the surface, the points where the lines of force, the point where the lines of force, where the lines of force enter to the surface. Why? If the lines of force if the lines of force enters into the surface, then flux is positive as a negative. If the lines of force enter into the surface, then flux is negative. Then flux is negative. Next. If the lines of force emerge out from the surface, if the lines of force emerge out means bahariba, emerge out from the surface, then it is negative. Emerge out from the surface, then flux is positive. Then flux is positive. Then surface, then flux is positive. Clear? Then flux is positive. তাহলে जो प्लस जो ହେଲା ଏରିଆରେ ତୋର ଲାଇନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଫୋର୍ସ କ'ଣ କଲା ପଶିଲା in that side, in that region flux is negative. जो ରିଜିଅନ୍ରେ ଲାଇନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଫୋର୍ସ ବାହାରିଲା in that region flux is positive. But where the lines of force is parallel or touch the surface, then in that case flux is going to be 0. ହେଲା if the lines of force if the lines of force ହେଲା ଯଦି lines of force କ'ଣ ରହିବ parallel or touch the surface, parallel to the surface, parallel or touch the surface, touch the surface, then flux is 0, electric flux is 0. Then electric flux is 0. Clear? ତାହେଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଯିବ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ଫ୍ଲକ୍ସଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ 0 ହେବ ହେଲା when the lines of force enters into the surface, flux is negative. Where the lines of force emerge out of the surface, flux is negative, flux is positive, and the lines of force when you touch or parallel to the surface, then flux is 0. Next, if we consider the unit, the unit of flux, the phi E as phi is E A, E into A. তাহলে in SI unit